Hey there, health enthusiasts, looking to shed some pounds while enjoying a delicious treat? You've clicked on the right video. Today, I'm going to share my top 10 weight loss smoothies that you absolutely need to try. Let's dive right in. First up, we've got the Green Detox Smoothie. This one's packed with spinach, kale, green apple, and a squeeze of lemon. Not only does it detox your body, but it also fills you up with essential nutrients. Next, the Berry Blast Smoothie. It's a mix of blueberries, strawberries, and a touch of Greek yogurt. High in antioxidants and low in calories, this smoothie is perfect for a post-workout snack. Now if you love tropical flavors, the Pineapple Paradise Smoothie is for you. Blend pineapple, coconut water, and a handful of mint leaves. This one's great for hydration and keeps you feeling refreshed. Fourth on the list is the classic Banana Oat Smoothie. Just blend a banana, rolled oats, and almond milk. It's rich in fiber and keeps you full longer, curbing those midday cravings. For a protein-packed option, try the Peanut Butter Power Smoothie. Combine peanut butter, banana, and a scoop of protein powder with almond milk. It's perfect for a breakfast on the go. Halfway through our list, we have the Mango Ginger Smoothie. Mango, ginger, and a bit of Greek yogurt make this a flavorful and metabolism-boosting option. 7. The Avocado Spinach Smoothie. Avocado, spinach, and a splash of lime juice. This creamy blend is full of healthy fats that keep you energized throughout the day. For an exotic twist, try the Dragon Fruit Delight Smoothie. Dragon fruit, coconut milk, and a hint of honey. It's not just Instagram-worthy, but also loaded with vitamins. Next, the Chia Berry Smoothie. Mix chia seeds, raspberries, and almond milk. This smoothie is high in fiber and helps in digestion, keeping your gut healthy. Finally, the Cucumber Mint Cooler. Blend cucumber, mint, and a splash of lemon juice. It's incredibly refreshing and perfect for a weight loss journey. There you have it, 10 amazing smoothies to help you on your weight loss journey. Remember, consistency is key. Drink up, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Until next time, take care.